Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Blizz. Kayla's going crazy because she can't go in there with them because Mom won't let her go. We'll go on it too. Kaylala's looking for our float. Is she the cutest or what? Oh, it's okay, Kaylala. It's okay. This is the Narrows. Got a few little boats over here. Boat. There's a beach over there. See, it's very nice, very peaceful. Except for my little puppy going crazy because she can't get in the water. Here comes Blizz. Hey, Blizz. You going to your sister? Alright. Say bye. I was going to say bye. Whoops, careful. Oh, KAYLALA's. Oh. Crack me up. All right.